Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hit the subscribe button, notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Today we have some brand new polygel kits by Makartt. 3 of them to be exact. And my code is Baby Girl Nails. You can get 15% off if you order any of these kits. So the first one here is Starry Night Whispers. It is beautiful, and I do a nail look in the video using this kit. So as you saw, it comes with everything you need: your file, your base, your top, and 6 beautiful colors. But that's not all. Wait until you see these colors swatched. For the most part, they are glittery, and they are a hollow glitter, which makes it even better, right? But wait until you see, I think it's the last 2 swatches, because they are pearlescent. And oh my gosh, I wish Makartt would come out with the 60 ml tubes of those colors, because they are so beautiful. Yes guys, these kits all come with the smaller tubes. There's the color. There it is, that white one. You see it? Oh my gosh, I fell in love with that color. It is gorgeous. Alright, so it's got that pearl one, and then it's got this pearl one. And if you guys like purple, you're gonna love this freaking kit. It is so stunning. Look at those colors. Who would not love those colors? Okay, so the price for that kit, this one here, Starry Night Whispers. Hold on, bear with me. Sorry guys, the price for that one was $44.99. Now this one, sorry I can't pronounce this one, but this one is $61.99. And I believe all of these are pearlescent. But let's just look at the packaging for a minute. It's beautiful, just like the last one. It's like ombre. It's got gorgeous colors. I mean, Makartt is really stepping up their game. Alright, so here we're going to swatch them, and oh my gosh, you guys. Just look at these swatches. Again, I believe they're all a pearlescent color, like a pearlescent shimmer, sorry. And there are some very unique colors, just like that one I just swatched. Something I've never saw before. And there are 12 polygels in this kit. And of course you get your top coat, your base coat, your spatula, your brush, your dual forms, your file. And look at that mint green. I love it. And that sky blue. Oh, it just kept getting better and better. And then after I swatch them, I do show you, there's another kit that they just came out with. And it is the Boutique Florist. Nope. Okay, so this one has been out a while, but I wanted to show you guys, because if you get this, and I'm sorry I don't have a price on this at the moment, but if you buy this, you get a top, a base, and a matte top coat. Now, I have never owned the Makartt matte top coat, so I figured I'd try it. Alright, so here is the other new kit, and you do get a big tube. This is 50 mLs. This kit is $25.99. You get this really nice picker-upper tool to pick up your flowers. You get 3 cases of dried flowers, which I thought was really nice. So we will be using that in a look. Again, that is the Boutique Florist. Alright, so this one, I'm not sure how long this one's been out, but this is the foil kit. And I just want to show you this one as well. You get 2 nail art foil glues. Love the packaging, by the way. And then you get 2 sets of foils. This one is floral, and you get 10 in each little box. Again, you'll have to check on the Makartt website for a price. And then you get the butterfly ones as well. So I thought those were really cute, and I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so back to the Starry Night Whispers. I'm going to go ahead and do a nail look for you guys. So I'm just showing you everything that comes in the kit, of course. And that is basic with all their kits. You get everything you see. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and prep my nails first. But I went ahead and put on my peel-off base coat, which is my UNT. But I did show my prime and prep. So if you don't use your UNT, you're going to go in with your dehydrator first, then your primer, then a base coat. So now I'm going to go in with my Makartt base coat. Cure that for 30 seconds. Alright, I'm using my tapered stiletto by Couture. These are the extreme tapered. I'm using my Couture primer to prime the underside of these tips. I'm using my little flashy light and my dampen dish by my friend Tammy, Medusa's Gear on Instagram if you're interested. Okay, so now I'm using one color for every nail. With this, because these nails have such a sharp C-curve, I don't have to cure the top first. So I just go ahead in with the whole color, pull it down, make sure it's going from side to side, and then making sure it's thinner at the cuticle, and then flip it over and apply it to the nail. And it worked really good. I didn't get a mess. If I did have any squeeze out, I went ahead and got that with my brush. So I used 5 colors out of the 6. The only one I did not use was the lighter purple. And I'm not talking about the pearl purple. I'm talking about the lighter purple. It was a little lighter than this one. Alright guys, so from here on out, I'm just going to let you go ahead and watch this. Oh my gosh. This is my favorite color. I love it. I really hope Makartt makes a big tube of this stuff, because it's so pretty. It is just stunning, you guys. You've got to see it in person. Oh, I love that color. And that purple is just as beautiful as that one. But the white, I don't know. The white's just, oof, I just love it. So here I go in with the purple shimmery one. Now, the shimmery, the pearly ones were, the polygel was a little more fluid to work with. It wasn't hard to work with. It was just more fluid. But, oh man, it was gorgeous. Alright, after I apply the last nail, I will go ahead and do a full 60-second cure, shape, file, buff off camera, and then we'll apply the gems. And I go heavy on the gems with this set, just because I wanted to do something a little different. So here we go in with the top coat on the underside of the nails. And you don't have to do this, it's just a preference. I like doing it, it just gives it more strength, and then it also helps with things sticking to it. Alright, so most of these gems I got from AliExpress. I'm using my Makartt gel rhinestone glue to adhere all this. I will leave links for the gems that I had. Now that big one I got on Amazon in a whole set of cabochons, or however you say that. Cabochons, yeah, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, it said love you, and I thought it was really cute, and it had the same color purple, and it just matched. So, and then I put these tiny little flower rhinestones that matched the color to a T. They looked so cute. Flash curing in between. And yes, I do use a pearl on this finger and on the next finger, but it does match the color. And then I go in with these like raindrop rhinestones, also from AliExpress. And then I also had some gunmetal flatback rhinestones that I used. Not sure where I got those. I've had them for quite a while, but I will try to find them for you. And that's them right there. So guys, in the comment section, let me know what you guys think of this set. Let me know what you think of all the brand new polygel kits that Makartt has came out with. What is your favorite so far? I will be doing videos on all the new kits. Don't worry. But I can already tell you I'm in love with them. Oh, they're gorgeous. The packaging is just unreal. Like, Makartt really has stepped up their game. But anyway, back to what I was saying. In the comment section, I want you to comment a purple heart. And then also, let me know what you think of this set. Would you wear these? Do you like them? What do you think about it? Just let me know, guys. And like I said, I used a lot of bling on these nails. I really wanted to just go out with the bling because this kit was just so beautiful. I just wanted to make it blingy, you know what I mean? And then I go in with the top coat. And look how that shines when you top coat it. And don't forget, it is holographic glitter inside the polygel. So those puppies are going to shine like nobody's business out in the sun. So pretty. And that purple, for all my purple lovers, you're going to love it. Now, I do flesh cure in between because I put a lot of top coat on there. And I didn't want it going into my sidewalls. Oh, and back to this pearl color. I just freaking love it. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I can't get over it. But I did have a lot of fun with this set, you guys. I had a lot of fun. So we're coming up to the end of the video. I do give a full 60-second cure. And there you go. That is how they turned out. Look at that shine. Oh my goodness. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite kit is that I showed. And which one you plan on buying. And don't forget, use my 15% off discount code by Makartt. You can use it on the Makartt Canada, Makartt Europe, and the regular Makartt. And then I also have the Amazon code also in my description box if you need a discount for Amazon. If you order it on Amazon, of course, I do not get a % of that. So if you can, order it from the Makartt website. I would really, really appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys soon. So with that said, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you all have a blessed day.